PCBA cloning. After we have successfully reverse engineered the complete circuit diagram, the comprehensive bill of materials, and the detailed schematic, how exactly do we thoroughly verify that the files we have produced are indeed correct? Actually, it is very simple. We just make a physical prototype, or we can directly produce a small batch specifically for testing. Based on the precisely reverse engineered circuit diagram, we can create a completely blank board without any components whatsoever. After we've meticulously purchased all the necessary and specific components according to our detailed bill of materials, we then proceed to the next crucial step. Once you carefully mount these individual components onto the blank, unpopulated circuit board, it subsequently transforms into what is known as a fully populated board. Of course, at this particular stage, it still cannot be immediately used or function as intended, because the vast majority of modern circuit boards invariably require some form of programming or firmware installation. Once this essential programming part is thoroughly taken care of and successfully completed, the entire board can then finally start running and functioning as designed, performing its intended operations. Of course, if you are not a dedicated or experienced PCBA production professional, I would strongly suggest and highly recommend that you leave the entire intricate process to me, ensuring a smooth and efficient outcome. I'll help you handle the procurement of components. This is also a technical task, and there are all kinds of counterfeit, refurbished, and used components out there. If you're not careful, you might fall into a trap, and if any problems arise, you won't even be able to find the cause. If the files I copy for you have issues, or if the samples I produce or the products I manufacture can't be used, all of this is my responsibility. So how do we handle prototyping and production? What does the process look like? For small batch production or prototyping, we use this small pick-and-place machine to handle it. If it's a large batch, we'll transport the raw materials to the factory, where there are large-scale pick-and-place machines that can get the job done quickly. After we've finished mounting the components, we can put it into this oven, turn on the switch, and let it run directly. As you can see, it's already operating, so we just need to wait a bit and it will be done.